Bard has come up with amazing updates recently, and we will try to cover it one by one in this video. So the first update is now Bard is available in new places and languages. So now Bard is supporting more than 40 new languages, and they have also expanded access to more places, including all 27 countries in the European Union and Brazil. We'll try to converse with Bard in Hindi, and we'll try to get whether it's able to respond in Hindi or not. So for that, I went to Google Translator. I just got Hindi version of this text, copy pasted it, and then went to Bard and just try to paste it here, and you can see like it has responded me in this Hindi language only. Another feature what they have said, now Google Lens is going to be supported in Bard. It means we can go ahead and upload any kind of images, and I will just ask it to explain this image to me. So let's see whether Bard is able to scan this image and give us appropriate details. So here you can see it has very well explained this image, stating the image you sent me is a stock photo of a man holding a credit card and a cell phone, and it has given me more details around it. Another feature what they have suggested, Bard can read response out loud. Now you can see whenever we are getting a response, we are getting this listen mode also. So if you click on this one, it will read out all this response very loudly to you. Another thing is now you have the pinned and recent threads. Whenever you're conversing with Bard and you have left it out and you want to continue that conversation after some time, now you can do it. So how you can do it, whenever actually you are asking a question on this, it's going to tag those over here, and now you can pin this conversation, or you can rename it also, or even if you don't want, you can delete it also. So this is also like one of the helpful feature which was not available in Bard earlier. Another one what they have given, now you can share your conversation with others. So here I can come, so this conversation I'm having with Bard, what I can do, I can just share and export it. I can click on share. It will ask me whether I have to send this particular prompt in response, or do I have to share entire chat. This is one of the possibility. I can go ahead and create a public link out of it and share it with others. Similarly, we can also send this particular conversation in Gmail or to others. Another thing what they have said, we can now modify the Bard responses. Let me ask something. So I just asked it like this Chandrayaan 3 mission, and it has responded me with all the details around it. Now when they say we can go ahead and modify Bard responses, it doesn't mean this one. So you can see we do have the draft version, and we can select whatever draft we want based on our need, but they are not pointing it out to this one. They are pointing out to this particular option what they have included here. You can see the modify responses, and you are getting multiple options. So you can make your responses shorter, longer, simpler, make it more casual, or make it look more professional. Suppose like if I want to make it shorter, then I can click on this, and again like it started processing it and has given me the response like this, which is shorter than the earlier one. Also I can make it more simpler, or I can make it more casual also. Based on the tone what you want in your response, you can go ahead and select it out, and it will generate a response accordingly. And last thing what they have done, now you can export your Python code to Replit. Let me ask is to write a simple code, and you can see like it has generated a Python code for me. But now just using this option, because it's a code, so we should be getting an option to export it to Google Colab and Replit also. So this is now integrated with Bard. So if a normal conversation, then you can use the first three options, but if it is related to code, then you can also directly export it to Colab or Replit. One feature which is still missing from Google Bard is generating an image. If I ask is to generate an image of astronaut walking on the sea, it's saying that's not something I'm able to do yet. This feature is still missing, but if I ask the same question to Bing, then it will be able to generate that image out. This particular feature is missing. I'm hopeful that it will come in Bard very soon. But yeah, they have integrated very cool feature in this update. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.